Hello, my name is Mark Wilkinson from Heritage Car Insurance. In this video, I'm going to share everything you need to know about classic car tax exemption. Classic car tax exemption means your vehicle is classed as a historic vehicle, so you don't pay vehicle excise duty, what most of us still call road tax. Important point though, you still need to tax the car. It's just taxed at £0. This is where most confusion comes in. A car becomes eligible when it reaches 40 years old, and that's on a rolling basis. Each year, vehicles built more than 40 years ago qualify, as long as they haven't been substantially changed. For example, if your car was built in 1985, it becomes eligible in 2025. Does my car automatically become tax exempt? No, and this catches a lot of people out. You need to apply for historic vehicle status through the DVLA. Once it's approved, the tax class is updated, and from that point on, your tax is £0. Do classic cars need an MOT if they're tax exempt? Not always, but don't mix the two up. Some historic vehicles are also MOT exempt, but this is a separate rule. If your car hasn't been substantially modified and is over 40 years old, it may not be MOT exempt. That said, it still has to be roadworthy. You're still legally responsible for its condition. What counts as a substantial change? This is a big one. Major changes to the engine, chassis, suspension, or steering could mean the car doesn't qualify. Period correct upgrades are usually fine, but modern engine swaps or structural changes can be an issue. When in doubt, check. Guessing can cause problems later. Does tax exemption affect classic car insurance? It doesn't reduce your insurance automatically, but it does help confirm that the car's status is a classic. Insurers often look at age, usage, condition, and how the car's kept, not just whether it's tax exempt. That's why specialist classic car insurance is usually better than standard cover. Is tax exemption worth it? From a cost point of view, yes. From a responsibility point of view, absolutely. Historic status recognises that these cars are usually driven less, looked after more carefully, and preserved rather than used daily.